Former Congresswoman Corrine Brown is a free woman tonight. Despite pleading guilty today to tax evasion, she avoids a retrial on her federal conspiracy and fraud case.
God is good all the time, and I'm a living witness that he will show up and show out.
In court today, Brown admitted to lying about donations to charities on her tax return, as well as not counting cash payments she received as income.
Brown will not be serving any more prison time, but she will have to pay the IRS the money she owes. News 4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott was in the courtroom today and spoke with Brown afterwards. He's joining us live downtown. Jim.
You know, it only took an hour today for this case to wrap up. You think about this, it began 6 years ago, and that's when she was found guilty. And then in 2017, she was actually found guilty of those crimes. Later, that was overturned by an appeals court, and then it was set to go back to retrial in September. But Brown says that it was just time to put this to an end, and that's why she pled guilty to the one charge today. We caught up with Corrine Brown as she headed into the federal courthouse this morning. The former Congresswoman didn't have much to say as to why she was changing her plea to guilty. What are you expecting?
God is good.
God is good. In here, can you tell us a little bit about your plea?
No.
But in court, we did learn about the plea. Originally convicted on 18 charges, including fraud and conspiracy, today she pleaded guilty to just one tax-related crime. Brown had lied to the IRS through her accountant, claiming thousands of dollars of donations went to Edward Waters College, the Community Rehabilitation Center in Jacksonville, known as CRC, Bethel Baptist Church, New Destiny Church, as well as the One Door for Education. That's the questionable charity at the center of the Brown case. Brown spent nearly 3 years in custody, and today she was sentenced to time served. She won't have to go back to prison, but she will have to pay the IRS over $62,000. As Judge Timothy Corrigan formally sentenced Brown, he said that despite the fact that she's a civil rights trailblazer, she succumbed to greed on her taxes. After the court hearing, Brown did talk. She was asked why she decided to change her plea.
A settlement. I wanted to put it behind me and move forward.
But in court, she did admit to fraud, so I tried asking her about that. I think people will be surprised to hear what you said up there about the donations, the tax fraud, and all of that. I mean, that you didn't give furniture to Edward Waters College. Shortly after she walked away from that question, she did answer some others from me. But what do you want to tell your supporters?
She's done.
God is good. God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good.
And
we're moving forward.
And moving forward. What about yourself?
To a great future.
Are you staying here in Jacksonville, and are you planning to do anything for Jacksonville?
She's done enough.
And in prison, you did a lot for women in prison. What can you tell us about that?
Well,
God is good.
I mean, you know what you did. You people were commending you for your work. What do you think?
absolutely. And I had told you that
Right.
some of the women want to talk to you, and we'll work that out.
And we'll work that out. I just think that's important because there were some good things that came from your prison term, correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Good. So I hope to hear from her later about that. Brown will continue to get her pension. You know, a lot of people have been asking about that. Plus, she's not on probation. We're live at the federal courthouse downtown. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.